morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Ratshitanga Lupfumo, and we are sitting here in Hamakuva. So we have a certain ethnic behavior that are tormenting our community eventually. So there have been some certain development of stories of women that are being killed across Venda. So those things are very, very, very tragic. They are tragic, in which we need to talk about it and see how do we go around it. So probably these are certain things that we have found that have been the cause or might be the objective on these killings. So probably one of them, the main reason might be trauma, in which it has been subjected for any very long period of time, but we won't be able to tell us whether what might cause the trauma, because literally we didn't get a chance to discuss with the perpetrator. But anyway, at the end of the day, we are just analyzing as whether what might have gone wrong. So probably there are certain things that have been suggested that could have be the cause to this tragedy. Probably cheating might be one of it. Being traumatized from various relationships that have been occurred, then tends to be the problem. But anyway, we have to stop this. But literally, we don't know as whether how are we going to stop this, because it seems to be something that has been set on, or been subjected to a certain person for a very long period of time. Precisely, meaningly, is something that we cannot instill from a person. It is something that has been subjected, and it has lived periodically on a person. So probably it is a very, very difficult task that one can say we are going to fight and then win it. But what we need to do at the moment is to address young people, youngsters, young couples to live in a proper manner. And then we should be able to identify the obstacle when it's necessary and address it, and then attend to it when necessary before it's too late. Because remember, when the killing occurs, before the killing occurs, there have been some symptoms. If we're talking about the symptoms, there have been some reports. Maybe I will give example from the relationship. When you are in the relationship, when you are being abused, you talk to your peers or your friends, your family, so that they can give you an advice as whether how do you resolve such case. But anyway, instead of that, there are other people who just laugh. They laugh at you as whether you are a fool or an idiot, instead of giving you a proper solution to resolve the matter. But at the end of the day, a person end up staying in the relationship and live continuously as if nothing is happening. But deep inside, you're being hurt. But then at the end of the day, you're fed up in a way that you want to end it. And then as a result, at some point, it will result this behavior of killing and all other stuff as a behavior, people beating each other in the relationship, which is very unhealthy. But it is a serious problem. It is something that we cannot stop it randomly. We need to teach youngsters, we need to teach young new couples that are starting family, to be in a position whereby they can be able to speak and they can be able to act decisively and be responsible at most cases. So it is not a task that we are going to say it is going to end today or now at this moment. It is something that is going to be, it's a prolonged process. So yeah, that is how it is, man. It is not simple. But anyway, let's do away with that. Let's not kill our women. Women, please try by all means to sympathize with us and do better with us. I think that's best we can do.